Welcome to St. Pete Beach, the sunset capital of the world. This is the beautiful Yacht and Tennis Club, which is 13 pristine acres situated right on the Intercoastal Waterway. Can you imagine a more beautiful location for a pool deck? This is actually where you sit when you want to enjoy the pool. It is absolutely gorgeous. You can watch dolphins and manatee go by in the water, and there's plenty of space to meet neighbors and have a beautiful, relaxing day. The YTC offers 7 par-true tennis courts, some of the best in the area. There's a very active and vibrant tennis community. We have tennis players of all ages. We do round robins, swing of the week. We even have a tennis pro on staff part-time during peak season who does group lessons, or you can hire him for a private lesson if you like. The smallest boat slip is 25 feet, the largest 107 feet, and for you people with sailboats, no worries at all. Our water is deep enough for a sailboat as well, so sailors, come on down.